Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Enos. I wanted to bring y'all out here today and show y'all my little chicken house I fixed up. So I want to show y'all, this is the old storage building. It's about to fall down. You don't have to have a brand new chicken house or spend a lot of money. I remodeled this with old rough cut stuff from the Amish sawmill that's laying around nobody was using. And some of the metal was off of it, some of the roof was gone. Had some old metal laying around not being used, put it right there on the roof. Same thing back here, patched up the holes with old rough cut stuff. The bottom part where it's got metal around it is fairly tight, and it's gonna make the perfect chicken house. Chickens don't need nothing fancy. They don't need a brand new chicken house or airtight chicken house or nothing like that. And it really didn't take that long. We got rid of our chickens before we moved to this place and want to get chickens again, so pretty much everything I done to it was done out of stuff that was laying around not being used. Don't have much money in it at all. I'm gonna put some nest boxes in here and fix some little roosts in here, and then build them a pen that from this corner goes all the way out and around three sides of it where they can run around it. And these trees growed up in it here will be perfect because it'll provide shade for them almost all day long and provide a nice breeze. I'm not worried about the cracks in the wood because that's actually going to help with ventilation, especially in the winter time and the summertime. It's going to be perfect for a chicken house. So I just wanted to get on here and show that if you're thinking about getting chickens, or you want to get into getting a few chickens and you don't want to spend a lot of money buying a brand new chicken house or whatever, fix up an old building like that if you got one sitting around, and it'll do perfect. Actually, the chickens probably like that better than they would an airtight brand new chicken house. Now I will treat it for mites before I put chickens in it. Some of the neighbors said there was chickens here many years ago. Chickens, goats, even horses used that building. So I want to treat it just as a preventative to make sure we don't have no problem with chicken mites. If you're a homesteader out there and y'all are watching this video, I do need y'all's advice about one thing: what kind of chickens I should get. I want chickens for meat, and I also want chickens for eggs. If I got to, I'll get two different breeds of chickens. That's fine. But I would like to find a chicken that gets fairly meaty, hefty, and still lays eggs decent. So if there's anything like that out there, let me know. Let me know what kind of chickens I ought to get. And eventually I want to fence in this back here and get maybe some sheep or goats or something other back here too as well. So y'all let me know if y'all like this kind of stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.